Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We are back out in the warehouse, and today we're going to be talking about the Paramount 6-port 2-inch rebuild kit. This is part number, get ready for it, 004-302-440800. Made by Paramount. This is a gear kit, just drops in. You take apart your water valve for the in-floor cleaning system, drop this in, put it back together. Very, very simple installation. As you can see, we have a lot of these in stock at the warehouse. So come on by 2710 West Bell Road or ePoolSupply.com and we can ship them out to you. How you would know you need one of these is if your in-floor cleaning system is not working properly. The pop-up heads are just coming up in one station. They're not really rotating around like they used to. It's probably time for a new gear kit. Take special note, these are wet tested. When you open them up, there's going to be moisture inside of the plastic bag that they come in. So they're not used. These are all brand new, factory sealed. But they do wet test them at the factory to make sure they work. So I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. We really appreciate all the love and support. Please make sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. It really helps us out. And we got a ton of content coming your way. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.